Okay, so I'm gonna be explaining level 1 and 2 now. So for level 1, each day for 4 days, Linda travels out for 1 hour at a speed that results in her so well she travels 1 hour and for 4 days at a speed that will result in her traveling 1 mile in an integer number of minutes, and each day after the first year speed decreases so that the number of minutes to travel at 1 mile increases by 5 times. And each of the 4 days, her distance traveled was also an integer amount of miles. So what is the total number of miles in total? So here we have, so so we have, so we have the rate times time equals distance equation, and we want to find the distance, but we're only given like the time, and we're also given the rate. So we're not given the rate, sorry. So we take this and we divide it by time, and so we have rate equals distance divided by time, and we have that the total distance. We say that the total distance at first. So the time is we just say that the speed that results in her traveling 1 mile in an integer, 1 mile in an integer number of minutes. So we say that it's x minutes here, and she runs for a total of 60 minutes. And so that's just this equation now, which means the units for minutes and minutes cancel out. So we have she travels for 60 over x miles in the first day. And for the second day, she travels for plus 5 minutes. And so basically, and this is x plus 10 minutes, and this is x plus 15 minutes. So this is 60 over x plus 5, 60 over x plus 10, and then 60 over x plus 15. So we have these four. And we have that these are all integers. So that means x equals 5 because that's the only one that works. And as a result, we have 60 over x, which is 12. And then 60 over 10, which is 6. 60 over 15, which is 4. 60 over 20, which is 3. And that is 10 plus 15 equals 25. Okay, so a sequence of natural numbers is constructed by listing the first 4 numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then skipping 1. So we have 5, and then that's skipped. And then we list the next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11 and 12 are skipped. So we have 13 through 18 and so on. And so we want to find the 500,000th number. And so, well, we have that the 500,000th number is the 997th row, is on in the 997th row, and then and it's the 506th number, from the left, to the right. And so we have that because, so we have, this is row 995, and so this is row 995, and this is, and so row 996 is just this plus 1 through 996. And so row 997 is just, so we have this, and so, oh, this is 1 through 996, by the way. And so we have, this is the 997th row and the 506th number. So we have, we have that this is the end of the 996th row. So the 997th row, the 506th position, well, each is plus 1. So the 506th position is the end plus 506, which is 996,506.